x plus log x plus 9 equals 1. They have the same base. They're both base 10. So remember, if it's addition and they have the same base, you can multiply those two things. So we're going to bring them together, and we'll make it x times x plus 9. Now, if we were to then write this in exponential form, remember there's an invisible 10 down there. So we would say 10 to the first power equals this stuff. 10 to the first equals x times x plus 9. Old tricks coming out. 10 to the first is 10. If we distribute the x, we'd have x squared plus 9x equals 10. And you're like, oh, that looks familiar to some other stuff we've done. So we can subtract 10 from both sides. You're left with 0 equals x squared plus 9x minus 10, okay? And then you're like, oh, well, this can factor to x plus 10 and x minus 1, which gives us two answers. It gives us x equals negative 10 and x equals positive 1. Now this is very important, just like with the quadratic formula, to substitute those values into your original equation and make sure they both work. So if I was to put in negative 10 for x, this is already a problem, because 10 to the x power, you can never just make it go from positive to negative with an exponent. So that is undefined, so this would be out. So you're never going to switch from positive to negative just because of an exponent, right? Because negative exponents just put it under a 1, so that would make it out. So if we test the 1, if we said log 1 plus log 1 plus 9 is 10 equals 1. So log 1 is saying 10 to the x power equals 1. Let's scooch down here a little bit. Now 10 to the 0 power is 1. So log 1 simplifies to 0. Log 10, look, it's got the same base as the number. So 10 to the first power gives you 10. So log 10 simplifies to 1, and 0 plus 1 equals 1, which is true. That was rough to check it back in. So let's see, we got two more here. I might be running out of time. We'll see. We'll see what we can get done. You know what? I'll start the next one. Let's start the next one. How about that? I don't want to rush. We're having too much fun to rush.